ETAP 2026. Electrical Power System Analysis Software. What is ETAP? Industry-leading software for comprehensive power system analysis. Used for design, modeling, simulation, and operation. Applicable to generation, transmission, distribution, and industrial systems. Key features of ETAP: load flow analysis, short circuit analysis, arc flash hazard analysis, protection coordination, transient stability, harmonic analysis, cable sizing and ampacity, motor starting analysis, and reliability assessment. System requirements for ETAP: Windows 10 11th 64-bit, Intel Core i5 or equivalent, 8 GB minimum, 16 GB recommended, 5 GB free space, 1920 x 1080 resolution, and DirectX 11 compatible. ETAP interface overview: menu bar, toolbar, one-line diagram OLV, library browser, project view, properties panel. Starting a new project. 1. Launch ETAP 2026. 2. Navigate to new project. 3. Input project name and location. 4. Select project type AC/DC. And 5. Set system parameters: base MVA, frequency, voltage levels. Building your first one-line diagram. Basic components include power grid, transformers, buses, cables, lines, loads, circuit breakers, generators. Adding components. 1. Toolbar. Click the icon, then click on the diagram. 2. Library browser. Drag and drop onto the canvas. 3. Edit menu. Go to Edit, right pointing arrow, add element. Connecting components. Use the connection tool to link components. Use buses to make multiple connections to a single node, and ensure clear labeling and organized layout for readability. Component properties. Double-click a component to open its properties dialog. Enter technical data, ratings, impedances, equipment specifications, and click OK. Save to apply changes. Load flow analysis. Purpose: calculate voltage, power flows, equipment loading, and overall system performance. Steps to run. 1. Switch mode and load flow. 2. Create new study case. 3. Run analysis. 4. View results on the diagram. Load flow results. Result displays bus voltages, power flows, loading percentages, and system losses. Color coding system: green, normal operation; yellow, warning, approaching limits; and red, overload, limit violation. Short circuit analysis. Purpose: calculate fault currents, size protective devices, verify equipment ratings, ensure system safety. Fault types: three-phase, line-to-ground LG, line-to-line LL, and line-to-line to ground LLG. Running short circuit study. 1. Switch mode and short circuit. 2. Select standard IEC or ANSI. 3. Edit study case, define fault type and parameters. 4. Select buses to fault. 5. Run analysis. And 6. Review results. Protection coordination (STAR). Purpose: ensure proper device operation sequence, minimize outages, and protect equipment. Time current characteristic (TCC) curves. Automated settings, sequence visualization, and comprehensive device library. Arc flash hazard analysis. Purpose: calculate incident energy boundary, determine PPE, and comply. Prerequisites: completed data for load flow, short circuit, and protection coordination. Reports and data output. Report manager. Generate detailed, formatted reports. Alert view. Quickly spot warnings and violations. Data blocks. Display specific properties directly on the diagram. Crystal reports. Use for standard, formatted outputs. Best practices for ETAP modeling. Save frequently. Build and test incrementally. Keep diagrams organized and neat. Double-check settings base MVA, voltages. And use built-in libraries for accurate data. And finally, conclusion and next steps. ETAP requires accurate data for reliable simulation and capabilities. And next steps. Complete lab exercises. Review the help menu for details. And prepare for advanced module training.